Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Engineer Ads. In this video, we will explain about how to create a Google AdWords campaign, especially for beginner. Google Ads or Google AdWords is a powerful advertising platform that allows business of all sizes to reach their target audience and drive traffic through their website. In this guide, we walk you through the steps to create a Google AdWords campaign. We have 5 important steps to create Google Ads campaign, especially for beginner. First, set up your account or your ads account. 2. Choose your campaign goal. 3. Define your target audience. And 4. Create your ad. 5. Set your budget and bid. With this step, you can create a Google AdWords or Google Ad campaign that effectively reach your target audience and drive traffic through your website. By continually refining your targeting and ad content, you can optimize your campaign maximum ROI and will get a success ads. Okay, let's get started. Okay, for the step 1, you can type on your browser adsgoogle.com. If you already your Gmail account, you can sign in or get started. Okay, click Get Started. Click here a new Google Ads account. First, we are going to click on Switch to expert mode. After you see this screen on your Chrome, click to switch to expert mode. Click here. By choosing switch to expert mode in a Google Ad campaign, allow you to access advanced feature and customization option that are not available in the standard mode. In expert mode, you have more control over your campaign setting, such as the ability to create custom audience, bid strategy, and ad placement. By choosing expert mode, you can also access detailed reporting and perform metrics that can help you make optimization to improve a result. On the other hand, if you don't choose expert mode, you will be limited to more simplified version of Google Ads with fewer customization options. You may still be able to achieve your goal with a standard campaign, but you may have a limited control over the detail of your campaign and limited access to perform metric. Ultimately, whether you choose expert mode or not will depend on your level of experience with Google Ads and your goal for your campaign. Click skip campaign creation. Confirm your business information, your billing country. For example, you can use click, England or United States. For example, you click United States and change to the US dollar. You click here and submit. Okay, congratulations, you are all done and you can explore your account here. This interface, a new interface of Google Ads or Google AdWords 2023. Click new campaign.
Okay, it's brand new in Google Ads. If you have already couple campaign, you are going to have to come down here and then you click or you hit the big blue plus sign, click and then hit a new campaign. First thing, we have to determine with a new search campaign what is our objective going to be, and that's really unique to every single campaign. Campaign objective is Google Ads are the specific goal you want to achieve with your advertising campaign. There are several different campaign objectives available, including
Source.
If your primary goal is to drive sales to your business, you can choose this
Source.
campaign objective. This objective is designed to reach people who are likely to make a purchase, and it can be a good choice if you have all well established website and clear sales funnel. Leads. If you are looking to generate lead for your business, you can choose the leads campaign objective. This objective is designed to reach people who are interested in your product or services and may be more likely to fill out a form or make an inquiry. Website traffic. If you want to drive more traffic to your website, you can choose the web traffic campaign objective. This objective is designed to reach a wide audience and increase awareness of your brand. It can be a good choice if you are looking to build brand recognition and get more people to your website. Product and brand consideration. If your goal is to increase awareness and consideration of your product and brand, you can choose the product and brand consideration campaign objective. This objective is designed to reach people who are researching product like yours and may be more likely to consider your brand in the future. Brand awareness and reach. If your goal is to increase brand awareness and reach a wide audience, you can choose the brand awareness and reach campaign objective. This objective is designed to reach a large audience and increasing awareness of your brand, regardless of whether they are likely to make a purchase or not. Application promotion. If you are looking to promote your mobile application, you can choose the application promotion campaign objective. This objective is designed to reach people who are likely to download and use your application, and it can be a good choice if you are looking to increase application install and engagement. Local store visit and promotion. If you have a brick or like a mortar business and you are looking to drive foot traffic to your store, you can choose the local store visit campaign objective. This objective is designed to reach people who are near you, near your store, and may be more likely to visit in person, especially if you have a food store. 8. Create a campaign without walled gardens. If you don't want to use the preset campaign objective in Google Ads, like this one, you can choose to create a campaign without walled gardens. In this case, you have more freedom to set up your own goal and customize your campaign setting. But you may also need to have a more advanced understanding of the platform to get the result you want. These are just a few of a campaign objectives available in Google Ads. When selecting your campaign objective, it's important to choose one that aligns with your overall marketing goal and the type of advertising you want to do. By choosing the right objective, you can ensure that your campaign is set up to achieve the result that you want. Regardless of this campaign objective you choose, it's important to track and analyze your result to see what is working and what is not. You can then make adjustment and optimization to improve your result over time. Okay, in this tutorial, I'm going to choose create campaign without walled gardens because we can control overall the campaign step. Okay, click continue. Okay, select a campaign type. Campaign type in the Google Ads are different ways you can advertise on the Google network. There are several different campaign types available, including search. The search campaign type is focused on the text-based ads that appear in Google search results. These are triggered by specific keyword related to your product or service, and they are designed to reach people who are actively searching for the product or services that you offer. Perform Max. The Perform Max campaign type is a newer and more advanced version of the search campaign type, designed to maximize your result with a combination of machine learning and manual optimization. This campaign type is focused on maximizing conversion, leads, or sales, and it's best for business that have a clear conversion funnel and are looking for a more hands-off approach. Display campaign type is focused on image-based or video-based that appear on a website and other Google-owned properties, including YouTube. These ads are designed to reach a wide audience and increase brand awareness, and they can be a good choice if you are looking to build brand recognition or drive more traffic to your website. Shopping. The shopping campaign type is focused on product-based ads that appear in Google search results and other Google-owned properties. These ads are designed to reach people who are actively shopping for products like yours and may be more likely to make a purchase. Video. The video campaign type is focused on video ads that appear on YouTube and other video-based websites. These ads can be used to reach a wide audience, build brand awareness, and drive more traffic through your website or your channel. Discovery. Discovery campaign is focused on image-based or video-based ads that appear in Google Discovery or personalized feed of news and content that appear on mobile device. These ads are designed to reach people who are actively exploring and discovering content on their mobile device, and they can be a good choice if you are looking to build brand awareness and reach a younger, tech-savvy audience. Each campaign type has its own unique feature and benefit, and the right type for your business will depend on your advertising goal and type of product or service that you offer. By choosing the right campaign type, you can ensure that your ads are reaching the right people and achieving the result you want. In this video tutorial, I'm going to choose
source
campaign type. And then click website visit. You can put your website URL in here and typing a campaign name. And then click to continue. Bidding. Bidding is an important aspect of setting up a Google Ads campaign, as it determines how much you will pay for each click on your ad. If your focus is to get click on your ad, here are some key points to consider when bidding. First, set your budget. Before you start bidding, it's important to set your budget for the campaign. This will determine how much you can afford to spend on click, and it will help you to manage your costs and avoid overspending. Second, choose your bid type. There are several different bid types available in Google Ads, including cost per click (CPC), maximum cost per click (maximum CPC), and enhanced cost per click (ECPC). CPC bidding is the simplest and most straightforward option, and it allows you to set a specific bid amount for each click on your ad. Third, decide on your bid amount. Once you have chosen your bid type, you need to decide on the bid amount you want to use. This will determine how much you will pay for each click on your ad. Keep in mind that higher bids may lead to more click, but they will also increase your cost. Fourth, monitor your performance. Once you have set your bid amount, it's important to monitor your performance and adjust your bid as needed. You can use the perform data available in your Google Ads account to see how your ads are performing. And you can just adjust your bid amount to improve your result. Fifth, consider the competition. Finally, it's important to consider the competition when bidding on Google Ads. If you are bidding on popular keywords, you may need to increase your bid to compete with other advertisers. Bidding is a complex and ongoing process. It's important to be strategic and patient when setting your bid. By following this tip, I can ensure that you are getting the best possible result for your Google Ads campaign and focusing on click to drive more traffic to your website. In this case, this tutorial, just maximum bid per click, I put $1. Later, if we already analyze, we can back here and change for the maximum CPC bids. Then click next. This is an important part to actually make sure all your settings are set up correctly. What we are going to do is turn this off and turn this off. And the reason for that is if you had a low search volume, search network can definitely be worthwhile, and sometimes it's even a great way to expand the actual Google search result for even better result. But most of the time Google search network isn't as monitored as Google's organic search platform, and this means there is quite a bit more click fraud on it, and the actual results are always great. Sometimes they are great, but sometimes they are not. Most of the time they are not great, and that's generally one of the principles we follow, and we recommend normally not starting a campaign often with the search network enabled. Just because we don't find that the grid of result, can you A/B test us later on. Absolutely special if you have a low search volume, go right ahead with that, but for most campaign I don't think you need it, especially if your search volume is good. The next thing is a display network. This is absolutely awful, and I don't want to know any reason you would ever want to use this. If you want to display campaign, go ahead and make a display campaign with the display network. Here you are not going to have any control over it, and you are really just going to waste your money. I think leave it all and the actual automation up to Google. That's not what we want to do. We want to have some control over the display network. This is one of the things in Google that I absolutely despise, and really only one of the written and stone law I follow is I don't enable this. Is terrible. There is a lot of things in Google Ads I don't always agree with it, but this is one of the things almost every single person who in Google Ads can agree on display network is not good. I would disable this because it can waste your money. Again, if you want to display campaign, go ahead and make one of this. But make it separate, don't include in the actual search campaign. Okay, we are now in setting location. For setting location, you can choose enter another location. You can choose example, a country, city, region, or postal code. You choose country like United Kingdom. So in here you can see how much your ads can reach, or you can choose ad sponsors. In here now you can enter another location, or you can use a radius 20 mile. You can put here. You can choose in here London, UK as a target location in 20 mile. Okay. Now we choose country, United States. Google Ads also provide a feature called location targeting method that let you choose between people in or regularly in your targeted location, or target location, or people searching for or who shown interest in your target location. This setting determines whether your ads will show to people who are physically located in your targeted location, or to people who are searching for information about those locations, regardless of their physical location. You should choose the present people in or regularly in your targeted location. If you choose a present or interest people, it could be that these people don't live in location that your target, but have interest in your product or your services. So I suggest you should choose present people in regularly in your targeted location. By setting your location targeting to the United States, you can ensure that your ads will be shown to people within the United States who are searching for the product and services that you offer. Okay, now language, your setting, English, audience segment, because we are in first in creating ads, so I skip about the audience segment. And then more setting, ad rotation. I choose prefer best performing ads. And then start and end dates. If you are not regularly checking your campaign, I suggest to choose and using start and end date. Select date. You can choose 1 week from February the 7th. Okay, you choose 1 week. So if you using the start and end date, if your ads finished in the February 4th, so Google cannot charge your credit card for your ads. And you can add your schedule in here. You can put all day or only in the okay, and then choose next. Okay, next we want to make sure that our ads group are organized and focused on specific themes. This will help us to keep our keyword and ads tight and relevant to each other. Our goal is to have a high quality score, as this will result in a high click-through rate and lower cost per click. To achieve this, we will start by naming our ad group in a clear and concise manner. For example, in this case, we will name our ad group Engagement Rings Online. This will allow us to easily keep track of our keyword and ads and ensure that they are all relevant to the themes of engagement ring online. Once we have named our ad group, we will then focus on selecting the right keyword and crafting the perfect ads copy to go along with them. We want to make sure that the keyword and ad copy are tightly related and will attract the right audience. This will not only result in a high quality score, but it will also help to increase our chance of attracting relevant traffic to our website. For those who are new to Google Ads, it's recommended to start with exact match. This involves enclosing your keyword in a bracket. Exact match with enclosing with a bracket, making it more specific. With this method, Google will show your ads more selectively, and you'll only appear for search that exactly match your keyword, while you may still appear for selected sources. The chances are significantly lower compared to using press or broad match. So in this case, I will erase exact match. Is a great way to avoid wasting money, especially if you are just starting. On the other hand, if you have some experience with Google Ads, you can try using PressMatch or ExactMatch and PressMatch. However, it's generally recommended to stay away from broad match, as it can be too lenient and result in irrelevant click. If you are having a trouble generating source volume, you can use broad match, but for most campaign, is not recommended. Now we are going to scroll down here to our ads, and we are going to type in your final URL in here. This is where we actually want to send our traffic. I generally recommend using a landing page, as this convert as much a higher rate than a normal website. However, it's up to you where you send your traffic. What we want to do here is for display pad is actually enter your keyword in here, engagement ring and diamond ring. I want to make this as similar to our target keyword as possible for this ad group, and put in here engagement ring. Okay, describe your ads description. This is where you can provide more detail on your offering and highlight the benefit of your engagement ring online service. Just like the headline, you want to make sure that your description reflect the keyword engagement ring online as closely as possible. You can start by mentioning the keyword in the first sentence and then going into detail about the feature of your ring, the quality of your diamond, and any other selling point that you want to emphasize. Include a strong call action such as shop now for the perfect engagement ring or find your dream ring online today. You can also mention any promotion or discount that you have available or any guarantee that you offer to customer. It's also a good idea to use sentence case for your description, as this is easier to read and can help to engage the reader. With your headline and description written, you are well on your way to creating a strong and effective Google Ads campaign for engagement ring online. You can see Google give a idea. You can click here. They are offering for optimal perform, include this keyword in your headline. Put in here your keyword. You can put call to action like contact us or and Google is going to cycle all of this headline. By the way, it's going to just keep testing and testing until you find that the work is well. What I like doing here is adding a whole bunch of call action to get a free, like get a free right now, and let them know what's going to happen after they actually click on your ad. Are they going to get a quiet? Are they going to schedule assessment? What is going to happen? That's good to do. For description, the actual description, what we want to do is here give them more reason to buy, and also end it up with call to action. So alright, just went ahead and fill this ad description. You can put another description. You can fill everything in here based on Google Ads requirement, and make sure you have a good ad strength with the Google guidance and get a good score, and fill in here and all already checks. Okay, after that we scroll down and click done. And then click next. Okay, this is a Google Ads recommendation budget, 29.60 cents recommended. But this is only a bit. You can set your custom budget to get more click. Let's say $70, 20 cents. Or you can back to recommended by Google Ads. Set. And then hit next. Okay, you can review your campaign and check all your campaign. After that, click publish to your campaign. Thank you for watching this video on Google AdWords campaign for beginner. I hope that this video has provided you with solid understanding of the basic of Google AdWords or Google Ads campaign and how to create one from scratch. Remember that running a successful AdWords campaign or Google Ads campaign takes time, effort, and a lot of experimentation. Don't be discouraged if you don't see immediately result. Keep refining your approach and optimizing your campaign, and you will start seeing better and better result over time. If you have any question or feedback about this video, please feel free to leave them in the comment below. And if you found this video helpful, please consider to subscribe to our channel for more great content on digital marketing, SEO, and other related topics. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.